Ladies and gentlemen, sana yan ang song, sabihin mo lang.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Sa venue ng birthday party ni Baby Beyonce. At ngayon po magsisimula na po ang event. Yan mga kalingat. Dito na lahat sila. So, mga kalingat, pasok na tayo. Dito na po lahat. Dito nang dadatingan ng mga salakakam. Mga gisang salakakam. Mr. J. Outfit check. Napakalapit ng pamahan. Ayan po, Sir July Paunin. Ito po ang napakalupit. Boom! Pambihira outfit check.
Oh yeah!
Pambihira. Ito po ay pambihira sa isang pagkakataon na nakapolo po si Sir JP Alivio Vlogs. Sana. Pero kere.
Yung budiga ko, pinapawisan na.
Pambihira. Ito ay araw ng mga polo. Pambihira. Tingnan mo naman ang mga porma, ano? Sheesh!
Makikita nyo lang ako
Sheesh!
pag nasa Senado ako.
Wala bang hearing ngayon?
Dito nga hearing eh.
Lechon naman dito eh. Hearing. Hearing ng plato. Sabi. Ito po. Ang isa sa aming patim sa Barako.
Shoutout sa mga barako.
Yan.
Hindi kay Beyonce yan.
Yan.
Mag-subscribe, i-subscribe nyo naman tong nagbibideo nito. Maawa naman kayo.
Pambira.
Pag hindi kayo mag-subscribe,
Kapigsa kayo sa pit.
magkakapigsa kayo sa puwet.
Pambira. Uy. Uy. Polo yan. Baka polo yan. Magkano?
Hinihintay pa natin.
Magkano ang bili ng polo natin?
150.
Ba't sinabi mo 150 dapat mahal?
150k.
Yan! Para lang sa birthday ni Bibi Beyonce. Yan!
And stunning Beyonce. Palakpakan mo. Our birthday celebrant. Salubungin po natin ang may ngiti at palakpakan. Tumunin niyo kami. Kalinga Angel Beyonce. And we would like to invite the loving family, Nanay, Tatay, Lapitan, but then ladies and gentlemen, we have again the beautiful family of Beyonce, to the parents and sisters and brother, biggest round of applause. Isang mahigpit na yakap at may halik kasama ng kanyang mga pamilya. Palakpakan po na.
Nauna kasi ang ano ko lang, mga senior, mag-start po ang kalingap sa mga matatanda po. Yung mga pag namatay, nililibing pa natin ng libre. Libre kabaong. Tapos, bigas ayuda at pagkain nila. Nung dumating si Kalingap Rab, ang kanyang beneficiary po ay mga bata. Ibig sabihin po, naging balance na. Mula sa matanda, pati mga bata, inabot na po ng Kalingap. Noon kasi po, nakilala ako doon kay Lola Damiana. Kung matandaan niyo po kay Lola Damiana. Tapos sa triplets, na lumabas sa Jessica Soho, nandun pa ako sa Jessica Soho, at saka sa mga dalawang programa po ng JB7, naglabas ako doon sa Brigada, at saka sa isang real time. At yun nga po, nung dumating si Kalingap Rab, naging blessing po sa mga kabataan at sa mga mag-i-eskwela po kasi inabot na yung mga estudyante, yung mga kabataan po na walang sapat na kailan para mag-eskwela at mag-aral. So marami siya ngayong mga inaabot na mga pagdinig, scholarship. So, ibig sabihin po, sa tagal ng panahon sa Kalingap, ay ito po ay magtuloy-tuloy na programa hanggang nandito kami. Ito po ay tuloy-tuloy po na programs para hindi lamang si Beyonce ang matulungan po natin, kundi mas marami pa. Marami ng birthday po ang nagdaan. Marami ng mga Kalingap Angels na nakaramdam po ng pagmamahal mula sa Kalingap. Kaya hindi lang po si Beyonce ang nakaranas nito, kundi mas marami pa. Alam ko po, through Kalingap Rab, marami pang mga kabataan po ang matulungan po natin. Amen po ba?
Amen.
Ako naman sa mga senior, ako na bahala dyan. So maraming salamat sa ating lahat at mabuhay po and happy birthday po kay Beyonce. 70th birthday!
Yay!
Napakapalat po ni Kalingap Ido dito. Huwag ka lang tumikal dyan, magdala ka ng balik. Sige, basta sa buhay mo. Salamat.
Thank you very much. Isang pagpupugay, palakpakan po natin ang ama ng Kalingap, Kuya Val.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no
instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love.
Isang A naman dyan, Kalinga Boys! Pwede ba dito? Boys, dito muna! Grabe! Alam niyo po ba, isang gabi lang po nila yung pinapraktisan. At dahil dyan, sumayaw, nalalawa ko mong bakla po talaga ako, kaya I deserve. Diyan si Maka naman. Ako lang, group hug naman tayo dyan! Wait na, Kalay! Wait, Kalay! aside para sa kanyang pinaka-espesyal, walang iba kundi Kalingap Edu. Palakpakan po. Ladies and gentlemen, mag-ingay for Kalingap Love Team NC! Ladies and gentlemen, once again, palakpakan po natin Edu and Biancy. The biggest round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, sa kanilang theme song, sabihin mo na.
Dali